During shifts between bullish and bearish trends, this indicator instantly generates buy and sell signals, showing you exactly where the market is reversing direction. In this video, I'll walk you through what this indicator is and share a simple yet powerful strategy you can use with it. Stick around, this is one video you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. To get started with this indicator, head over to TradingView and open any trading asset you like in any time frame. For this video, I'll be using the 15-minute time frame on EURUSD. Next, click on Indicators, type in Zero Lag Trend Signals, and select the one created by Algolfa. So what is this indicator exactly? The Zero Lag Trend Signals is a tool designed to boost trend following strategies. It minimizes lag, offering quick trend insights across multiple time frames. It uses the zero lag exponential moving average lemma to smooth price data while reducing delay, providing a more responsive trend analysis method. Looking at the indicator, it's super straightforward and includes the following components: the trend ribbon, which switches between red for bearish trends and green for bullish trends. It's based on the average true range ATR, helping filter out false signals. Red and green arrows indicate transitions between bullish and bearish trends. A red arrow shows a shift from bullish to bearish, while a green arrow shows the opposite. Many arrows along the trend ribbon appear during market retracements. For instance, in a bullish trend, when the price retraces into the trend ribbon and then closes above it, a green mini arrow is printed, signaling a potential long entry. Similarly, in a bearish trend, a red mini arrow appears during pullback, signaling a short entry opportunity. This indicator doesn't just show trends for your chart's time frame, it also displays trends across 5 additional time frames. For example, if I'm using the 15-minute chart, the table also shows trends for the 5-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily time frames. You can customize these time frames by double-clicking on the table. You can also adjust settings like the band multiplier, which changes the width of the green and red bands. Wider bands reduce noise, while narrower bands generate more signals, perfect for scalping. You can even tweak the colors in the settings. For this video, I'll leave everything at the default values. Once done, click OK. Welcome aboard our crypto arc, where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy zero fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. The first trading method with this indicator focuses on trend reversals using the main buy and sell signals, the large arrows. For a bullish reversal trade, identify a green upward arrow. Check the trend table to ensure all 5 timeframes are bullish. If any are bearish, the entry is invalid. Once all conditions are met, enter a long trade. Place the stop loss just below the trend ribbon and set the take profit at 1.5 times the risk. Let the trade run, and as shown, it was profitable. The second method involves trading pullbacks using the mini arrows. Confirm the trend is bullish by checking that the trend ribbon is green and the price is trending upwards. Wait for a bullish mini arrow, which prints when the price retraces into the trend ribbon and closes above it. Ensure the trend table shows bullish trends on the 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily time frames. The 5-minute time frame can be bearish because pullbacks affect it. When all conditions are met, enter a long trade. Place the stop loss just below the recent swing low and target a 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio. Let the trade run, and as shown, it was profitable. For short trades, use the same logic, but in reverse, wait for a bearish mini arrow, confirm bearish trends, and set your stop loss and take profit accordingly. Another strategy is the momentum bias index. For this strategy, add the momentum bias index indicator by Algolfa. Keep the default settings. Here's how to trade with it. Look for a bullish reversal signal from the zero lag signals indicator. Check the momentum bias index for 2 conditions: a bright green histogram bar corresponding to the buy signal, Dark green bars invalidate the entry. The histogram bar must close above the dotted threshold, signaling strong bullish momentum. Once both conditions are met, enter a long trade. Place the stop loss at the bottom of the trend ribbon and set the take profit at 2 times the risk. My backtesting shows this strategy often exceeds this target. For short trades, look for a bearish reversal signal with a bright red histogram bar that closes above the bearish threshold. Set the stop loss at the top of the red trend ribbon and target 2 times the risk for take profit. There you have it, 3 powerful strategies using this indicator. The third one is definitely my favorite. Try backtesting these strategies and let me know your results in the comments. If you have ideas to improve them, share those too. I'd love your feedback. If you found value in this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.